So the first problem, the cooling effect in refrigeration is obtained by 1. Mechanical refrigeration technique. 2. Passing direct current through junction of two dissimilar metals. 3. Sublimation of carbon dioxide. And 4. Throttling of real gas. So the answer are D, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. All four are real cooling methods. Number 1 is vapor compression. Number 2 is Peltier effect. 3 is dry ice sublimation. Number 4 is Joule-Thomson throttling. So in the second, the cooling effect produced by refrigeration finds application in construction of cold storage. 2. Cooling of concrete dams. Number 3. Comfort air conditioning of hospitals. And 4 is liquefaction gases of vapors. So answer is D, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all standard use of refrigeration, cooling process, cooling preservation, and industrial processes. Number 3. For throttling of certain gases, the value of Joule-Thomson coefficient is A, less than 1, B, greater than 1, C, 1, and D is 0. So the answer is D, 0. For ideal gases, Joule-Thomson equals 0, meaning no temperature change on throttling. This is the standard textbook answer. So number 4, thermoelectric refrigeration system is based on A, Peltier effect, B, Joule effect, C, Joule-Thomson throttling, D, adiabatic demagnetism. Answer is A, because passing current through dissimilar metals creates a hot and cold junction. That's why Peltier effect. So number 5 will based on the diagram. CUP of the refrigerator is A, Q2 over work, B, Q1 over Q2, C, Q1 over the work, and D is Q1 minus Q2. The answer is A, Q2 over work, because COP equals the desired effect over work input. For a fridge, desired effect is removed from Q2 and the cold space. Number 6, COP of a refrigerator working on Carnot cycle. A, temperature 1 minus temperature 2 over T1. B, T1 minus T2 over temperature 2. C, T2 over T1 minus T2. And D, T1 over T1 minus T2. So the answer for this is T2 over T1 minus 2, which is letter C, because for Carnot refrigeration, COP is equal to T cold over T hot minus T cold. Number 7, the COP of a Carnot cycle refrigeration decreases on A, decreasing difference, B, keeping higher upper temperature constant and increasing lower temperature, C, increasing upper temperature and keeping lower temperature constant, D, increasing upper temperature and decreasing lower temperature. So the answer for this is D, increasing upper temp and decreasing lower temp, because COP drops when the temperature lifts, T1 minus T2 increases. So this is the best answer. For number 8, for the same operation temperature limits, COP of a heat pump equals A, COP of refrigerator, B, 1 plus COP, C, COP of refrigerator minus 1, D, 1 over COP. So the answer for this is letter B, which is 1 plus COP. For the number 9, the capacity of refrigerating machine is expressed as A, inside volume of cabinet, B, lower temperature attained, C, gross weight of machine in tons, D, rate of abstraction of heat from the space being cold. So the answer for this is letter D, which is rate of abstraction of heat, because the capacity is the rate of heat removal measured in tons of refrigeration, or TR, or kilowatts or kilojoules per second. That's all.